Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, be sure to take a look at the video linked in our description. It is the first video in this job series. It will show you the before kitchen as well as all of the demolition and other work done to get it up to this point. In today's video, we will pick up with the floor installation. We thought that we would be able to repair and get rid of the squeaks in the subfloor simply by screwing it down, but we were unsuccessful in doing so. So we had to tear out all of the subfloor and replace it with plywood prior to installing the hardwood floor. Stay tuned to the end of this video because you will see the big reveal and see the completed kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. As mentioned in the intro, we tore out the subfloor. Here is the new plywood getting installed. I unfortunately don't have a clip of the floor getting installed, so here is a photo. The product is UA Floors Keystone 5.5 plank in gray wolf hickory. It is an engineered hardwood. After the floor finished, it was time for the cabinet installation to begin. The cabinets are Waypoint 660R in maple ember glaze. The final touches have been put on the cabinets, including the hardware, which is Richelieu 8651-142 for the doors and 2514296-903 for the drawers. It is now time for the quartz countertops to be installed. They are Cambria Berwyn with demi bullnose edges. The backsplash is now getting installed. It is Dow Tile Skybridge Gray Mosaic. Here is the final product. On this day, we were just doing paint touch-ups. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.